Today we will start our topic about Colorado car insurance. Colorado car insurance before you start driving here. Whether you are hitting the slopes or heading to the office, make sure you have valid Colorado car insurance when you drive in the Sentinel state. Drivers who fail to show proof of insurance can face penalties upward of $500, points added to their driving record, and in some cases suspended license and community services hours. Drivers are also required to show proof of insurance to the Colorado Bureau of Motor Vehicles to register vehicles. If you need car insurance or want to switch companies, you can get Colorado car insurance quotes online. Colorado auto insurance minimum requirements needed for vehicles owners driving on Colorado roads are required to have at least the following minimum limits on their insurance policy. Bodily injury in which $25,000 per person, $50,000 per accident. Property damage, $15,000 per accident. In uni in uninsured motorist, $25,000 per person and $50,000 per accident. In medical payment, 5,000 per accident. Uninsured motorists and medical payments can be rejected by signing an option form. You can read again this line as you understand. Uninsured motorists and medical payments can be rejected by signing an option form. There are additional optional coverage that you may carry to better protect yourself and your vehicles. An insurance counselor can assist you in choosing the best Colorado auto coverage for your needs. Next, we discuss about Colorado teen driver licensing process. For Colorado teens who want to get their license on their 16th birthday, they will need to start driver's education before age 15. Colorado requires teens to have held a learner's permit for at least 12 months before applying for a Colorado driver's license. Colorado law prohibits drivers under 18 years of age from using a mobile phone while driving unless it is to contact the police, fire department, or it is an emergency. Drivers 18 and older may not use a mobile phone for text messaging while driving unless it's to contact the police, fire department, or it's an emergency. The process for obtaining a driver license varies depend on the driver age. If you start at or before age 15 and 6 months, you must complete a 30-hour driver's education course before you can apply for a learner permit. Minimum age 15. Permit holders who have permit holders who have logged 50 hours driving time completed a 6-hour behind the wheel training course and have held their permit for at least 12 months can then apply for a driver license. On next point, we will also give you knowledge as if you start between age 15 and 6 months up to 16, you can either complete a 30-hour driver's education course or a 4-hour classroom driver awareness program to be eligible for a learner's permit. Permit holders who have logged 50 hours driving time plus 6 hours behind the wheel training if you are younger than 16 years and 6 months when you apply for a license and who have held their permit for at least 12 months can then apply for a driver's license. If you start at age 16 or 17, there are no prior driver's education requirements before being eligible to apply for a learner's permit. Permit holders who have logged 50 hours driving time who have held their permit for at least 12 months can then apply for a driver license. Additional 6 hours behind the wheel training is optional. For the first year licensed, driving is prohibited between midnight and 5 am unless accomplished by an instructor, parent or legal guardian. Now here we give the program as such: California Automobile Donation Program, in which cost is free and phone number is given in front of you: 888-676-1089. California Car Donation, in which the given number is 866-392-4483. Car for US troops, free call available and number is 888-693-8032. Cars to charities, free phone is available, in which number is given 855-520-2100. Other different foundations for that purpose you can search as such 49 ERS Foundation, in which the San Francisco 49 ERS Foundation supports development programs for underserved youth to keep them safe on track and in school. Next, the other foundation, as you can search ACC Senior Services, a community of caring. The mission of ACC Senior Services is to promote the general welfare and enhancing the quality of life for their community by offering specially designed culturally sensitive services, programs, and classes for older adults. In Donate a Car, Agage Village, in which Agage Village strives to create a community to heal the hearts of children and build families that surround them. Tomorrow holds little hope for many children unless Agape's mission is achieved. The other foundation is such as Contra Costa or Arc of Contra Costa. Contra Costa arcs exist to enhance and enrich the lives of children with special needs of and adults with intellectual and developmental disabilities. Toward the toward that end, we provide direct services and advocacy to assist those we serve in achieving their highest level of personal independence and self-sufficiency. The ARC San Francisco mission is to serve people with intellectual and development disabilities by promoting self-determination, dignity, and quality of life. The ARC Solano. The mission of the ARC Solano is to promote the greatest personal growth, community understanding, and full participation of people with developmental disabilities and their families through sport, education, and advocacy. The next Asian Resources mission is Asian Resources is a non-profit community-based organization established in 1980, dedicated to providing multiple social services needed in our community, empowering everyone we serve to become a vital part of our changing diverse society. And big brothers, big sisters of organic country also included in this mission is to help to children reach their potential through professionally supported one-to-one monitoring relationships that have measurable impact on youth. National research has shown that positive relations between youth and their big brothers and big sisters mentors have a direct measurable impact on children's lives. Next, the other foundations like Boys and Girls Club also work for this. So we can again explain some foundations against 49 years foundation, ACC Senior Services Foundation, A Gap Villages, the ARC San Francisco, the ARC Solano, Asian Resources, Big Brothers, Big Sisters of Organic Country CA, Big Brothers Big Sisters Foundation, and Boys and Girls Club of North Lake Thor. thank you for watching this informative video, and you can apply according to these methods. Thank you very much. 10 मिनट दी हो गया.